Sunset, taking it in. You know what I'm saying? It's been a good one. You know what I'm saying? Out here. Global Yacht Club. Of course we global. We got the Brazilian flag, got our Brazilian friends in here. We out here hanging out, kicking it, drinking good, enjoying life, baby. Y'all tap in. The Global Yacht Club. Hey. Brazilian yacht parties. We got the Brazilian flag. Shout out LA Live Chris. Brazilian yacht parties. Fell off of it. He did in the shot. Hey. Hey man, that's it. Doing this every weekend, man. Y'all tap in. Global Yacht Club, man. Connecting businesses, man. Look at that. Ooh, I gotta get that view. Natalia, what you got on the dish for him today?
We got on the dish for him, we got some garlic mashed potatoes, we got some rasta pasta, we got some stir steak, we got some Brazilian cheese balls,
okay.
We got some roasted vegetables.
What's that right there?
Some shots, some fruit, some cookies, we got some flowers for the birthday.
Hey, for the birthday girl. Oh, y'all lit. What's going in, baby? Hey, man.
All the back and forth and all, put it off, man.
It's the first one, baby. Salute, man. Y'all toast. Ain't that little champagne? Hey, Brazil. The Brazilian yacht party. The Brazilian yacht party. What's up? Hey. Out here, LA Live Chris, man, I got my people, you know what I'm saying? Hey, Brazilian Connect, you know what I'm saying? When you got the Brazilian flag waving, you already know what it is. You already know what it is, baby. Hey, let's go. Hey, we live, baby.
Going back in?
All right, man. I just want to say thank y'all, you know what I'm saying, in advance. You know what I'm saying, before I fall off this thing. What's up? Got the Brazilian Connect right here, you know what I'm saying? Got the flag. Oh, the flag tied up. Hold on. Tap in, LA Live. Chris. Woo, look at that. Look at that sunset. Tap in. Global Yacht Club. We on 3 level yachts. Tap in. Hey. They said, why the cap got his shirt off? You know what I'm saying? That cause we finna jump in. Let's go. Innovation now. LA Live. Chris, man. I appreciate y'all tapping in. Taking it in, Brazilian yacht tour. You know what I'm saying? We kicking it with the Brazilian. On the sunset. Tap in. Tap in. It's the Global Yacht Club, baby. 3-decker yachts only, you know what I'm saying? We 3-decker yachts only. Hey, hit me up. LA Live Chris, if you want the 3-decker yachts, man. We out here. Brazilian tours. LA Live Chris. Hey. Sunset tour.